touchkey ang hilot. Kasi tag-init dito sa Middle East. Sa taglamig lang sila lumalabas yung mga sakit-sakit nila na lamig. Oo. Kabsat Miss Ann. Oh, Miss Ann. Si Kabsat Tatsuki muna. Silipin natin si Kabsat Tatsuki. Ayan o. 51 point. Kabsat Tatsuki o. 51.1. 51.2 na yung bahay mo. Ayan. So, ang kanyang ina-upload po ay dito nga ako sa paborito ko. Stuck on you. Stuck on you. Uy. Tataas ng views mo, Kabsat Tatsuki Iba na talaga yung sikat. Dito tayo sa'yo. Stuck on you. I get this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. So, ayan, may harang Kabsat Tatsuki. Diyan ka pa? Andiyan ka pa, Kabsat Tats? Baka wala ka na. Comment ka lang dyan. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see. Ayan. Pakinggan natin yung kanta niya. Stuck on you. Stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed different. In the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stay. Ayan Tatsuki Draw. Magaling nang kumanta si Kabsat Tatsuki Manang-mana sa akin. Stuck on you. Been it for too long, I guess time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. Kabsat Sinaida, next kita dito kay Kabsat Roseville. That the woman like you could do it around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stay. Oh, I'm leaving on midnight train tomorrow. And I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and threw them all away. I'm coming home to stay. Oh, stuck on you. I guess the spelling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Games I'm on my way.